Hi friends, this is Nagesho. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to restrict users from changing desktop wallpaper in Windows 7 using Registry editor. Here, I want to keep this image as my desktop wallpaper. Right click and select Set as Desktop Background. We can change the desktop wallpaper. To restrict this, open Run command by pressing Windows R keys on your keyboard and please type regedit. In the Registry editor, expand HK current user, expand software, expand Microsoft, scroll down, expand Windows, expand current version. Please select policies. Here I want to create a key. Right click on policies. Please select new key and name it as system. In the right panel, right click and please select new string value. Please name it as wallpaper. In the value data, we need to copy the path of our image. Come to your wallpaper location. Right click and come to properties. Select the path. Again come to Registry editor. Paste it here. Backslash and please add your image name. OK. Again right click. Please select another string value and please name it as wallpaper style. Double click on that. In the value data, here if you want to keep your wallpaper in the center, you can enter 0, and if you want to add your wallpaper as styles, enter 1. If you want to stretch your wallpaper, please select value data as 2. Here I want to use 1. OK. Now close the Registry editor. Please log off your computer and log in back with same user. Now we have successfully added our custom image as desktop wallpaper. Let's try to modify this desktop wallpaper. Come to personalize and select Windows 7 default wallpaper. Let's log off this. We are unable to modify this wallpaper. Again, to disable this, come to Registry editor. Simply delete the both string values. Close the Registry editor. Now come to personalize and select the Windows 7 default wallpaper. Like this, we can restrict users from changing desktop wallpaper in Windows 7 using Registry editor. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.